Every video contains valuable information, what's being said, what's happening on screen, and the moments that matter. But finding those insights usually means watching the entire video. The video analysis tool lets you extract all of that, simply by asking. All it needs are two things, the video link and a prompt. Let's try it. We'll start with one of our recent product walkthroughs on our YouTube channel. Paste in the link, then enter your prompt. Analyze this product walkthrough and create a step-by-step guide. For each section, explain what feature is demonstrated, how to use it, when it appears, and any key takeaways or best practices. Now hit send. The model begins analyzing the video. And there it is, a complete step-by-step breakdown with timestamps without having to watch the entire video again. Now let's use it for something even more practical. Instead of rewatching the walkthrough to find the best highlights, let's ask it to identify moments that would make great short-form content. In just a few seconds, it returns the strongest clips, explains why each one works, and even writes captions for them. This is how you can repurpose any video into a week's worth of social content. And it's not limited to YouTube. You can analyze any video you've generated inside Qolaba as well. Here's a product ad created on Qolaba. We'll copy the video link and ask the AI to review the branding and confirm the logo visibility. Within moments, it identifies the brand elements, checks logo visibility, and generates captions based on the actual content of the video, not just generic marketing copy. Whether you're summarizing a workshop, finding the best moments for social media, reviewing brand consistency, or simply understanding a video faster, Video Analysis tool saves hours of manual work.